to our channel Science and Knowledge. So the network has new details regarding the next Samsung Galaxy smartphone's chipset. And according to the latest report, the chip could end up in Google Pixel. How? To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. Samsung Galaxy S24 smartphones are popular largely due to the high-end performance and energy efficiency provided by the proprietary Exynos 2400 chipset. According to Business Korea, now the South Korean company has announced that the next generation Exynos 2500 chip will be the basis of the smartphone of the American client in the second half of the year. Industry experts believe that this client will be Google, and we are talking about the future Pixel smartphones. Earlier this month, media outlets reported that significant progress in debugging the 3nm process technology used to manufacture Exynos 2500 chipset. However, at the moment, the defect rate exceeds 80%, and for effective mass production, it is necessary to have less than 40% defects. Despite this, during the recent Samsung Foundry Forum, the South Korean company assured stakeholders that debugging of the 3nm process technology is proceeding in full accordance with the original plan. Samsung wants to start mass production of Exynos 2500 chipset in second half of this year. The company's new processor is expected to be basis for the upcoming Galaxy S25 flagship smartphones. As for the partnership with Google, Samsung has long been cooperating with the American company with the Android ecosystem. If the future Pixel smartphones are indeed equipped with Exynos 2500 chipsets, it will mean a deepening of the partnership for the two companies and demonstrating a mutual trust in Samsung technology. As the smartphone market remains fiercely competitive, Samsung efforts to improve its Exynos chipsets as part of a larger strategy to maintain a competitive advantage. Consumers expect each new generation of chipset to be more powerful and energy efficient, so Samsung's work to improve its smartphone processors is an important focus. Previously, reports from Sam Mobile point to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor as the future Galaxy S25 Ultra chip. We have often seen Samsung turn to Snapdragon CPUs for top-tier performance. It is expected that the new Galaxy S25 line will officially launch early next year. So for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time. Bye bye.